Today's video, we're going to be bringing you here to the beach on the Atlantic Ocean in Florida. Here we got some kite surfing going on. I said, oh, I'll just stop by. It's not very far from the condo. I'll just show you guys a bit of what's going on, give you guys an idea. I was gonna try to get and walk the beach here, but I can't find no parking. Look at the nice color. It's got a nice big kite here. Everyone's getting ready. Look at all the people just sitting on the beach watching these kite surfers. As you can see, the Hillsborough Tower is right over there, the watchtower lighthouse. So I said I'll just walk over here and take a quick little look, see what's going on. Most of these people here, it's not that nice out today, there's a lot of wind. That's why these kites are out. You head south, you head this way, you end up in Fort Lauderdale. I think you got Pompano, then Lauderdale by the sea, then Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Heading this way, you got Hillsborough, Boca Raton, Palm Beach. So I just thought I'd show you guys a bit of this. A lot of waves out there. Kids are playing in the water. There are waves out there, hard to see.